Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best multifunction worktable milling machine. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best multifunction worktable milling machine. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When investing in a multifunction worktable milling machine, several factors should guide your decision to ensure you choose the right model for your needs. Determine the primary tasks you will perform. If you need a machine for various operations, milling, drilling, and shaping, look for models that offer flexibility and multiple attachments. Consider the available workspace in your shop. Machines come in various sizes, so select one that fits comfortably while still providing ample work area. A robust construction ensures durability and precision. Look for machines made from high-quality materials, as they can withstand rigorous use and maintain accuracy over time. Check the motor specifications and speed settings. Higher RPMs allow for efficient material removal, while variable speed options provide versatility for different materials. User-friendly features, such as easy-to-read dials and straightforward controls, can significantly enhance your experience, especially if you're a beginner. Ensure the machine comes with necessary accessories, such as vices or clamps. Additionally, consider the availability of customer support and replacement parts. Finally, set a budget that aligns with your needs. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, investing in a reliable machine can save you money in repairs and replacements in the long run. By considering these factors, you can find a multifunction worktable milling machine that meets your requirements and enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching the video.